Bonjour, bonsoir, dear friends. Welcome to JCB Wine Style. We have a beautiful surprise for all of you today. One of the most sought after young married men. And I'm going to say married because when many of you in the world met him, he was still a bachelor and you all wanted him. You still want him, but now he's tied up, at least for a little while. So I'm delighted to introduce all of you to Florent Georget, one of the most talented young winemaker in the world of Beaujolais. Bonjour, Florent.
Bonjour, Jean-Charles.
So we're delighted to see you. You are in the vineyards of the Beaujolais of the Château de Pierreux today.
Yes, that's right. Also, thank you. And it's a real pleasure for me to be here with you in very far than the US, but it's a real pleasure.
Well, at the same time, I can tell you we feel very close. I'm in Napa Valley. You are in the beautiful Brouilly area. So tell us, you are in the middle of the vineyards right now.
Yeah, we are in the middle of the vineyard. So it's raining now. The weather is not with us today, but here in Pierreux, so this vineyard is already harvest. Because we start the harvest, there is now more than 1 week. But this year, this vintage, I think, will be pretty good in terms of tasting. But the year was not very easy for the wine growers because the weather was not with us. Lots of different storm, a lot of rain, not hot water, not hot temperature. Sorry. So not a very easy year, but I hope we make good wine for the future.
Well, you're a magician. Even when it's not easy, you succeed to make great wines, don't you, in the Beaujolais?
I hope.
So tell us what makes Beaujolais so unique. And, you know, I'm obviously very thirsty when I look at this beautiful vineyard and clouds behind you. Look at what I'm doing. I'm serving the gorgeous Beaujolais wines. So, dear friends, Florent is the very, very talented winemaker at Montmessin. Montmessin is one of the oldest winery in the Beaujolais. So tell us about Montmessin, Florent, and maybe how you make great wines and fresh, juicy, mouth-filling, and really fabulous Beaujolais wines.
Okay, so for started, just to know, the Beaujolais, it's a small wine area between Lyon and Mâcon. So in the Beaujolais, we have got just Gamay and Chardonnay for the grape variety. So that's why the Beaujolais is very unique, because we make wine just with one variety, the Gamay for the red wine and Chardonnay for the white. Also, Montmessin is very famous in Beaujolais and in the world because Montmessin was founded in 1865. So we have very old knowledge and speciality of wine of Beaujolais. So that's why the Beaujolais is very unique, because the variety and the terroir also is very different. A lot of granite, so it's very interesting terroir because we can make fruity wine and more complexity wine with this variety and this type of soil. So that's why the Beaujolais is very unique.
Explain, Florent, why granite makes very unique wines. Because, dear friends, as we all know, clay calcaire is very prominent in Burgundy, volcanic in some parts of California, etc., etc. So there's 12 very high-profile recorded soil around the world for great wines. Granite, blue, and pink is one of the most unique for the Beaujolais. So, Florent, tell us why that makes something so unique in wine.
Yeah. In fact, in the Beaujolais, we've got clay and limestone in the south of Beaujolais. So that's why there is more white wine in the south of Beaujolais and more in the north. So than here in Pierreux and more after on the Cru, Côte de Brouilly, Morgon, Saint-Amour, Moulin à Vent, there is a big part of granite. So there is two different granite, the pink and the blue granite. It's very interesting because it's a very, very old soil. It's from the volcan in France, so very old. So that's why with this type of terroir and soil, we can make good wine with lots of structure and a good aging also.
And what characteristics in terms of taste does granite bring to the flavor profile of the wine?
Yeah. So here I've got a Beaujolais village from Maumessin. So it's a granitic soil. In terms of tasting, we can have very, very different style of wine. A lot of fruit in terms of flavor, and if we want to, we can have a lot of structure and a lot of tannins. Sometimes like close wine. It's because the soil and the granite is different than Brouilly or Morgon or Beaujolais village.
Exactly. So why is Beaujolais Village a great wine for people to enjoy? Why and how would you recommend to pair it with food?
Beaujolais village is very interesting because the largest appellation in Beaujolais is the Beaujolais AOC, and after it's Beaujolais village. There is nearly 3,000 hectares of Beaujolais village, so it's quite big, but also very small in terms of volume in the world. And in village, there is different small town who make different Beaujolais village. And in Maumessin, we have very complex Beaujolais village because we blend different village of different town of the Beaujolais village area. So that's why it's very interesting to work, because in terms of blend, we can make a lot of different things. Sometimes with a very fruity wine and sometimes with more complexity, more spicy wine. So that's why it's very interesting for me.
That's right. So in terms of food now,
Yes.
I mean, obviously, I love this wine with grilled food. I love this wine with pizza. What is your preference as well?
So I don't know if you know in US, but a Beaujolais village is very, very fantastic with a saucisson Beaujolais. So it's like a beans,
Sausage, huh?
a sausage with sauce of wine. So we make this sausage, we cook this sausage with wine sauce. So it's very perfect with potatoes.
Aha! So how do you stay so thin when you have a sausage and potato every day?
How what?
How do you stay so slim, such in good shape?
Because I do a lot of sports.
I think you make a lot of love. This is why we selected Saint Amour for you.
And also Saint-Amour, yes, with a lot of love.
So I love this wine, Saint Amour, the second wine we're having. How did it get to be called Saint Amour, the saint of love?
Yes. So Saint-Amour is the cru on the north of Beaujolais, the more on the north. Is very small, but in fact, the big difference between the other cru is the soil, because here we have also granite, but also a big parts of sandy soil, so more poor soil. So that's why we have more fruity and like easy wine, more buvability on the wine, on the Saint-Amour wine.
Yes. So does this represent the saint of all love?
Yes.
So is it what you're going to have for Valentine's Day
Yes,
in a
for
few
the
months?
14th of February.
So
Very famous in France.
explain us the vinification of traditional carbonic maceration in Beaujolais?
So in fact, in the Beaujolais, there is different winemaking process now. The historic winemaking process is the carbonic maceration. So we put the grapes whole bunch in the tank, and after the fermentation starts inside the bay, so inside the grapes. But now more and more we are using the like Burgundy style maceration. So we distill more and more the grapes and make a long maceration for 3 or 4 weeks. Sometimes it depends the vintage and the quality of the grapes.
So you do pigeage as well?
Yes, pigeage, délestage, remontage, a lot of different technique for extract more and more and for have more color and more complexity, more tannins on the wine.
Well, when we look at this Saint Amour, Florent, look at that. It's really gorgeous.
Okay, thank you. Which
So-
vintage is?
Well, tell us why this wine is so special to you and why 2018 should be the vintage we all drink.
Okay, so I really like and love the Saint Amour wine in general because for me it's really an identity of the Beaujolais wine. So very fruity, easy to drink, but with a lot of complexity. The Saint Amour have a lot of buvability, and I love the buvability on the wine. I love when
Buvability, you mean drinkability, right? So it's easy to
Drinkability.
drink.
Exactly.
I like
I
your
love the wine,
French,
so
English.
when I drink a glass, I love drink a second glass and a third glass and a fourth glass.
Wow.
So,
Well, do
drinkability.
you sometimes drink out of the bottle directly, Florent? Because it's a lot easier.
Directly, yes. As you, Jean-Charles.
Of course. Well, whenever we're together with your beautiful sister, we love to indulge, as we say. It's all about indulging.
Yes.
And Florent, maybe one more thing. The world of wine is about Pinot, is about Chardonnay, is about Syrah, is about Cabernet. Why is Gamay so special? And I would like to remind all of us around the world today that Gamay, the only place on the planet that we do Gamay so well, is Beaujolais. So why should everybody enjoy Gamay, Florent?
Because this variety, I think today is the potential aromatic. The people like that. And why in Beaujolais? Because the soil, the terroir, and also the climate we have now in Beaujolais is the good combination between Gamay, climate, and terroir to have a fruity wine and a drinkability wine. I think that's why the Beaujolais is the place for the Gamay in the world.
We love it. So Florent, you're going to go back to make wine now. Tell us about why 2021 will be a good harvest.
For the moment, it's very early to say that, but we work very hard to make to do good wine and to be sure the winemaking process will be good because the year was not easy for the wine producer. So the grapes are pretty nice without problem. And for me, if we want to make a good wine, we must have great grape. So now we have great grape. Sorry, the maturity is here. So I'm sure we will make good wine, but it's a little bit too early to say that for the moment. But you can trust me, Jean-Charles, we will make good wine in Beaujolais this year.
Exactly. So I have another question that is coming in the chat from a lot of beautiful women around the world. What makes you such a good husband now? now that you're a young married man,
Yes.
what makes you such a good husband?
Euh, Qu'est-ce qui fait de moi un bon mari?
Yes, what makes you a good husband?
That's a
You
good
heard the question. A good winemaker, I can speak
winemaker.
about why you're a good winemaker, but a good husband, I don't know.
Maybe it's because it's the same than Momsa. Comment on dit, de fidélité? I don't know the
Loyalty, okay.
J'ai pas compris. Dis-le-moi.
Faithful. You are faithful.
So I'm faithful.
Faithfulness. Oh,
I'm
I
faithful
see.
to
Very
my
good.
wife, and I'm faithful to Momsa. Now there is 10 years ago. So I think it's maybe the key to that.
All right. Well, this is a very good answer. Well, we delighted, Florent, to celebrate indeed 10 years together. And
Yes.
congratulations for making such beautiful wine. We are excited that the harvest is challenging but exciting, because if it
Yes.
was too easy, we wouldn't want to make wine, right?
Yes, exactly.
And
But
we
now
look
we
forward.
are waiting the sun, because it's raining pretty much now. So we are waiting the sun maybe for tomorrow for this
Well, we're
vintage.
sending you vibration from California, so the sun will come.
Thank you.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Well, Florent, thank you so much. Great luck with the harvest, and we cannot wait to celebrate with you very soon.
Thank you very much, and love Beaujolais, love Montmoussin wine.
We do too. All the best.